Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and today we have something completely different and new to show you in the garden. So what we have here is the AirCube Active Oxygen Grow System, distributed by Growace, growace.com. So the good people over there at Growace got a hold of me and they said, hey Urban, we like what you do in your garden and you have kind of the same values we do, and we'd like you to try our product. I said, well, that sounds fantastic. I'd love to try your product. So what we have here is the AirCube system. This is the 6-site bucket system. It comes with 5-gallon active oxygen grow buckets. You get 6 of them, and then you get all the goodies that come along with it. Right here we have a 7-gallon controller brain module. I believe this is a system that you can fully automate. So we're basically going to fully automate our system now between the Niwa Grow Hub and this AirCube system. I mean, I'm still going to have to go in there and look, but the whole system's going to be automated, and then all I'll have to do is change the water. Now I could, even if this doesn't have a timer on it, which I believe it does, which is already automated, I could also automate it through the Grow Hub. So let's see what else we got here. We got an ultra heavy duty collapsible reservoir. So what we're going to do right now is we're just going to unbox this. We're going to take everything out, show you what you get, and then later we'll go set it up and we'll do a full grow series with this system. Now, if you'd like to take a look at this system, you can go ahead and click on the link below, and that will take you over to Growace, and you can take a look at this system. So now, let's go ahead and unbox these. So the first thing we're going to pull out here is the ultra heavy duty collapsible reservoir. So we've got the factory seal busted here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here is some connectors there. Right here you'll have your instructions and manual, it looks like. Yeah, there you go. And then right here we have our collapsible reservoir. So here's the actual reservoir system here. Zipper to close in the water, then some more tubes there. So that is what you get in box number 1. So now let's open box number 2. Okay, got box number 2. Let's get box number 1 out of the way there. And let's open her up. And this is your brain module system. And it is nicely packed in here. Let's open her up, and inside is all your goodies. I am actually not going to take this out of the box until we set it up. I just wanted to show you how it was packed in here. Packed real nicely. You got the foam over the brain units. Got all your tubing and connectors in there, and another little manual for the system. So that's what's in box number 2. Now, finally, let's go over here to box number 3 and let's check out the actual bucket system. Now this bucket system's a little bit different than your normal hydroponic bucket system. I did look into this product a little bit before they sent it to me, so I do have a little bit of knowledge of what's in here. And so this system is actually a fabric inner liner which allows air pruning to occur in your hydroponic system. So a lot of hydroponic systems you get, they're just simply plastic buckets, And the root systems go into the plastic bucket. They tend to, wrap around in time because the plants do get big. Well, the idea with this is that the fabric inner liner allows the roots to grow through, and then they'll air prune in between the plastic bucket and the inner fabric liners. So I'm really interested to try this. I did do hydroponics for about 20 years. I was an ebb and flow grower. This is an ebb and flow system. So it's basically a 6-site ebb and flow system. So within here, you'll see you do have your couplers and your tubing, and we already showed you the inner fabric liners. Then we have the regular plastic bucket, 5-gallon bucket system here. And all goes up through underneath. You're going to have your connectors there and everything. And we do have, once again to repeat, a 6-bucket system. So that is basically what comes with this system. That is your basic unboxing. Let me see if I can get you a picture of the full setup here in one of these instruction manuals. So there you go. There's a picture of what the whole system when it's set up will look like. So you'll have this reservoir right here full of your water, 60-gallon reservoir there, and then it will have the brain right in front of it. And so what happens is the water comes into the brain, then the brain distributes it out to the 6-bucket system. So what is in store for the AirCube? This is what's in store for the AirCube. Is we're going to get it set up in the T&B Naturals 5x5, the NIWA Grow Hub 5x5. Now it's going to be the T&B Naturals NIWA Grow Hub AirCube 5x5. So we'll get this system in the 5x5. We'll get some plants growing, and we'll do a full grow. I still haven't decided whether I want to go from seed or from clone. So that's all stuff to stay tuned for. But I'm really excited for this product. And I hope you guys are excited to follow along with this product and see how the AirCube works. Now, once again, if you'd like to look into the AirCube or get anything off of Growace.com, you can just go down there to that link and check out what Growace has to offer. And look forward to the new videos coming up. This does come in different sizes too, and it can be expanded to a 12-bucket system. And I think you can even go to a 24-bucket system if you get the larger reservoir. So with that, guys, stay tuned for more on the AirCube. Go check out Growace and keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.